One of the more fascinating experiences of my career was to get a behind-the-scenes look into the world of franchising with some of the nation's largest and fastest growing franchises. We're not in the franchise business at Nash, but there's a lot we can learn from it. After all, franchises boast the highest success rates and highest levels of profitability of any type of business, so we should take note. There's three pillars that make a franchise successful. The first is the recognizable brand. More to come on that later. The second is the system. It's the education and operational processes that take the guesswork out of success. And then third is the supply chain. It's the consistent delivery of products that meet market demand and value, but also deliver profitability to the business owner. Visit any franchise around the country, from a hamburger business to a hardware store, and you'll see these three pillars in action. So let's talk about how we're doing that at Nash, starting with that last one, the supply chain. At our core, that's what we do. We are the masters of logistics, so you don't have to be. We provide the shelf space. We manage the hundreds of vendors and millions of dollars of inventory that come and go around the country every single day. But that's not where it stops. We're also committed to innovation. Bottom line is we want our customers to have a product advantage in the marketplace. So we are constantly looking at new ways to develop and improve products so that when you take them to your homeowners, they see something they don't see anywhere else. Second is that system, and that all starts with education. We've partnered with the NFRA and several other companies to develop the first ever national accredited education system and certification system for every level of foundation repair and waterproofing. Beyond that, we're offering marketing services second to none in the entire industry to help you put your brand and your business out there into your marketplace. In addition to that, we've got software tools and even Nash AI now available all to you to help you grow your business. So put us to work. Your sales reps are not just there to take orders and sell you products. They're your entry point into that system. So reach out to us and let us talk about how we can help you. Now let's come back to that topic of the brand. A lot of people, when they hear the word brand, they think of a name or a logo or a tagline. That's not really what a brand is. Those things just remind you of a brand. What a brand really is a perception. I like to say it's the collective perception of everyone who knows your business exists. And what we want to do is help your marketplace perceive you as the go-to company for foundation repair and waterproofing. And that's our goal. Nash succeeds as a result of that. Our focus is on something much greater. Our focus is on helping homeowners discover better companies that we help build. And we would love for you to be one of them.